$10 a piece, and we have 8. So we're going to finish it today, which is amazing. Now, you guys know that I pull this money at the end of every month, so we will see how much we have in here for this month. I don't like leaving large chunks of money in my binders. I rather have it in the high yield savings. So this one we have been working on for quite some time. Super fun though. It was a super fun challenge. All right, so that's 80. Let's see what we have in here now. So we are finishing with 20, 40, 60, 80, $130 this month. That is awesome.